Hatzi, come in, come in. Do you want to find out what Hatzi is actually going to sell?
It was day 63 of the 180-day challenge, and after last week's realization, we had to start with something cheaper. So I went on Instagram and I asked you guys, what did you want Hatzi to sell? What cheap items did you want? I made a post on Instagram, and then it was time for you guys, Team Hatzi, to let me know what you wanted Hatzi to sell next. And this is what I got.
So Team Hatzi, you wanted me to sell shirts, long sleeve shirts, hats, beanies, socks, and Team Hatzi beach towels. It was day 64 of the 180-day challenge, and with these ideas, Team Hatzi, it was only time to narrow them down to a top 3. So I had this set of criteria, as you can see right here.
The criteria was simple, Team Hatzi. The products had to be affordable, comfortable, and durable. After some calculations,
In conclusion, Team Hatzi, the 3 top ones that we narrowed down to be the best was the Hatzi socks, the Hatzi hat, and the Hatzi t-shirt. Team Hatzi, it was day 65 of the 180-day challenge, and with our 3 new garments, Team Hatzi, we had to narrow them down to a specific style. So with the Hatzi shirts, we had long sleeve shirts, and then we had short sleeve shirts. The socks were either long socks or short socks. So then we had to look at the Hatzi hat, and it was between the flat caps that you wear like this, or the nice baseball caps that look absolutely great. Hello everybody in the crowd tonight. I'm your Prime Minister, Scott Morrison, and I would just like to say, Mr. Hatzi is an amazing person, and you guys should definitely subscribe to his channel. So guys, I'm gonna welcome Mr. Hatzi on stage. So Mr. Hatzi, come in. Thank you all the Team Hatzis out there in the crowd tonight. So Team Hatzi, I have this special envelope right here, as you can see, and on this envelope it is gonna say what the 3 product styles will be. So let's open it and let's announce them right now, Team Hatzi. So you're all excited? I know you are. And even you over there, he's crying, look at him. Okay, Team Hatzi. The shirt design will be the short sleeve shirt. That is amazing, Team Hatzi, because the short sleeve shirt looks amazing. Next on the list, Team Hatzi, we've got the Hatzi socks. And the winner for the Hatzi sock style is actually Hatzi long socks. This is amazing because all you guys out there have made Hatzi history by telling me that you wanted these socks. Last but not least, for the Hatzi style design, come closer, come closer. The first ever Hatzi style hat will be the Hatzi baseball cap design. And this looks amazing, Team Hatzi. And once again, you guys chose this by voting on the Hatzi Instagram. So Team Hatzi, thank you all for coming out tonight and witnessing this crazy event. Good night. Hello everyone out there tonight. It is your host ScoMo again, and and we're here back at the Hatzi house. This has been a recurring event this week, and Team Hatzis, we are here to witness the Hatzi design reveals that you guys have chosen. So I'm going to announce Mr. Hatzi to come onto the stage right now. Thank you, all these Team Hatzis coming out tonight to witness this very historic event. So Team Hatzi, got the official designs right here that you guys have chosen. So let's have a look right now. The Hatzi sock design is, the Hatzi shirt design is, and the Hatzi hat design is. Thank you all you Team Hatzis for coming out tonight for this very historic event, and thank you all for voting on the Instagram. So make sure you follow the Instagram and subscribe to the Hatzi channel so you can keep updated with the Hatzi daily updates and the Hatzi weekly updates. So in the meanwhile, Team Hatzi, remember to be your